We're in Frederick County with the best technician, assistant Juan Victor. Mario, keep attention what he are doing with his star. He are focused to do the best job he can do.